What if I told you that your home, your extra room, or even a property you don't own could start making you thousands of dollars per month without you ever needing to meet your guests in person? Airbnb has completely changed the way people travel, and it's also created an opportunity for anyone to generate serious income. But here's the truth: most people get it wrong. They either underestimate the work involved, miss out on hidden profits, or get crushed by competition. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Airbnb, step by step. Whether you have a spare room, want to rent out an entire property, or even make money without owning real estate, I'll cover the best strategies that actually work in 2025. If you stay until the end, you'll learn how to scale this into a full-time business, making $10,000 or more per month. Let's get started. 1. The Airbnb Gold Rush. Why now is the best time to get in? Airbnb isn't just for vacationers anymore, it's a full-blown economy. Digital nomads, business travelers, and remote workers are all using Airbnb for long-term stays, and demand keeps growing. Here's what most people don't realize: even with more hosts than ever, there are still massive opportunities for those who know what they're doing. Recent market trends show that travelers are willing to pay a premium for unique stays, well-designed spaces, and seamless experiences. If you're thinking about getting in, now is the time. Real estate prices are fluctuating, and in some cities, short-term rentals are outpacing long-term leases in profitability. But here's the kicker: success on Airbnb isn't just about having a property. It's about understanding what makes a listing profitable, optimizing for guest experience, and using smart strategies to outshine competitors. Many people hesitate because they think the market is saturated, but saturation only affects those who don't stand out. The truth is, most hosts don't know how to position their listings effectively. That's why this video is going to give you an unfair advantage. It's also important to understand the broader travel landscape. The pandemic permanently shifted how people book accommodations. Remote work has made long-term stays more popular than ever, and hybrid work models mean people are taking workcations year-round. This shift is creating demand beyond the usual peak seasons. Plus, as traditional hotels struggle to compete with the flexibility of Airbnb, more travelers are making short-term rentals their first choice. So, whether you're a first-time host or looking to expand, this is the moment to take action. Let's dive into the best ways to make money with Airbnb, starting with the 3 most profitable business models. 2. The 3 most profitable ways to make money with Airbnb. Not all Airbnb hosts make money the same way. The 3 most effective models are: 1. Renting out your own space, 2. Airbnb arbitrage, and 3. Managing properties for others. If you own a property, listing it on Airbnb can generate 2-3 times the income of a traditional long-term rental. Even a spare room can bring in extra cash. But if you don't own property, don't worry, Airbnb arbitrage allows you to rent a property on a long-term lease and sublet it on Airbnb for a profit. Then there's property management. Many property owners want the passive income from Airbnb but don't want to deal with the day-to-day operations. If you can handle bookings, cleaning coordination, and guest communication, you can charge a percentage of the revenue and build a business without owning a single property. Each of these strategies has its own pros and cons, but the key is finding the right fit for you. For example, someone renting a 2-bedroom apartment in Miami might pay $2,500 a month in rent but makes $6,000 from short-term stays. After cleaning fees and Airbnb's cut, they could still profit $2,500 or more each month. Compare that to a traditional rental, where profits might only be a few $100s a month. The key is knowing how to optimize these models. Many Airbnb hosts fail simply because they don't treat it like a real business. They assume guests will come automatically, but this isn't the case. Success requires strategy, from pricing to guest experience. 3. How to pick the perfect Airbnb location for maximum profit. Location is everything. But here's the mistake most people make: they assume tourist hotspots are the best places to invest. While that can be true, some of the most profitable Airbnbs are in unexpected locations, suburban areas near hospitals, business hubs, and college towns. To find the best location, use Airbnb's own data. Search for listings in different cities, check occupancy rates, and see how much competitors are charging. If you're doing Airbnb arbitrage, look for cities with flexible short-term rental regulations and high demand. For example, a 2-bedroom apartment in downtown Nashville might bring in $4,000 a month on Airbnb, but a similar unit near a major university could generate even more due to consistent demand. The secret is to think like a traveler. What would make someone pick your listing over a hotel? Convenience, affordability, and a great experience. Another strategy is to analyze emerging markets. Cities that are experiencing job growth, new developments, or increased tourism often see a surge in short-term rental demand. A well-timed investment in these areas can yield massive returns. Every day you wait is a day you could be making money. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Don't let fear or overthinking stop you. Take action and start building your Airbnb income today. Think about this. The people who succeed aren't necessarily the ones with the most money or resources. They're the ones who take action. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you'll be watching others achieve what you could have done. There's always a reason to hesitate, but there are more reasons to start. If you found this valuable, check out the description for useful resources. And don't forget, the next video YouTube recommends for you is on the screen right now. Watch it to take your financial journey even further. This isn't just about making extra money. It's about taking control of your financial future. Whether you start with one listing or scale into multiple properties, the possibilities are endless. But none of it happens unless you take the first step. So click on the next video and keep going. Your future self will thank you.